Hi, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a recording of a method that I use for problem solving. I think when we're confronting coding problems, one of the most difficult things is breaking down that problem. And sometimes I believe that using programs where you're drawing stuff out and you got to draw boxes and stuff like that can become really difficult. So what I'm about to do is a very simple use case of a method that I use that I think is really simple and could be very helpful. Basically, for my app that I'm building for my Rails.js project, I'm not 100% sure if I want to add a model to handle messages that the user would see, or just hard code them in. Originally, I was thinking that I would hard code them in. So basically, I start with the question. Should I hard code messages, or should I, hold on, let me make this bigger for you. Should I hard code messages, or should I create a database or a table? Answer. Probably create a database. And then I would do question why. Answers are hard coded. Quick aside, when I bold something, I'm bolding it because I believe that this is something that I will use later. So essentially, giving you a look ahead, what I would do after I do this is that the thought process is somewhat helpful, but you don't want to be collecting garbage. You know what I mean? It's not to say that the thought process is garbage, but it's not going to be relevant, and it's really just applying the Socratic method to how you do something, question, answer, question, answer. Or there's I believe it's something related to lean called the 5 whys. So you want to just keep asking why. In this situation, you don't necessarily need to ask why 5 times, but if you're not really clear on the why of something, then just ask it again. Maybe it's 10 whys or whatever it is, or 2, it doesn't really matter. All right, so this is what I would do, okay? So ideally, I have a user admin that I could log into. It's a typo. That would be able to alter the entire database. So then also I have this types of messages. Okay, and then this is just user database. This probably means I gem or device or whatever. Likewise, patients on user uniqueness. Lastly, admin field, yes or no. Login as admin, maybe the secret link, not part of the structure. Okay. How does that work? Letters. Else, I think, pulling. A is presented to user. Point to the letter A. A apple. But so if there is no word started with then alternate question. A. B. Thank you, Mom. Double check. Oops. Messages to this letter or word. Okay, so basically what I'm realizing is that I'm going to actually have to create something else, basically just a special table for maybe supplemental letter. Perhaps that's something that would be created on the word letter join table and be instantly initialized. Anyways, I hope that this is helpful in some way. Again, I recorded this. It's a little bit of a thinking process that I use that I find helpful when trying to unravel something that I'm not really sure where to begin. And that's it. Thank you for watching.